Okay, this is the Yonaka exhaust for the 96 to 2000 Civic Coupe. Got it all out. It's nice. He chose this one, or we talked about this one and decided to go with it, mostly because of the style of the muffler and the fact that it is actually 3-inch piping. And when you look at cost and figures, it is much more cost effective if you can buy a 3-inch mandrel exhaust versus me building one. Dollar for dollar, it would cost twice as much, probably 3 times as much for me to build a 3-inch exhaust on a car than it would to buy one off the shelf. But this one's nice. I'll get it lined up on the car to see how well it fits. It also came with this little adapter. It won't be used, to take a 2.5-inch to 3-inch 3-bolt. I'll actually end up, once I fit it, chopping one side, or the flange closest to the motor, and I'll V-band it, and then V-band the connection for the downpipe. Now it all hung very nice. Got to hear there's 2 hangers. This car looks like it never even had the hanger on this side, but I can add one. And what I'll do right here is I'll cut this flange off, and I'll show you why. There's a downpipe outlet, so what I'll do is I'll make a V-band exit here, flex section, and I'll V-band this as well. The flange they use is a little different than your standard 3-bolt. These slotted holes don't really fit the same as a generic 3-bolt flange, so I'll just V-band it and get rid of that and make it simpler to disconnect anyway. But yeah, overall, it fit nice. It all looks good. And looks like I have good angle over the rear control arm as well. That's it. It's raining outside now, so it might be hard to see, but this is what I was saying about the flanges. This is the gasket it came with. This is your standard 3-bolt flange. You can see all the offset in the holes. When you line one hole up, the others are off. So I'll just do away with that flange completely and V-band it. But yeah, that's it. I'll probably show more of it on the next video update on the Civic. Like I said, we have suspension coming. Get the downpipe finished up and made it to the exhaust and get the exhaust completely hung, and I'll show you more then. But I appreciate it.